I will say that there's a real possibility in law and legal education for two reasons. One, legal education is primarily focused on the case method and reading cases and actual legal decisions. And most actual legal decisions involve human beings or the companies or problems they create. And so as you read through the facts of a case, you're reading about human lives. And often these cases are messy and sad, and you're reading about both wins and losses by other human beings. And so there's a way in which a kind of empathy is built into the way that we read and learn law. So that's one, I think, opportunity. And then another opportunity is on some of the hardest cases and questions. People have very different views, and the law forces judges to write out those differing views. And so as we read through some of the big controversial constitutional law cases in upper level classes that I teach, we'll work hard on trying to understand the best arguments in both directions. And sometimes I'll have a student and I'll be asking them, explain what's the best argument for this position. And then I'll say, okay, now can you flip it and make exactly the opposite argument in the best possible way? And that to me is the best kind of legal education and the best kind of response, when a student can on a dime flip and see the other side. It doesn't mean it's all relative or there's no truth there. It just means that part of lawyering is the ability to narrate and persuade effectively. And to do that well, you have to see both sides of an issue. And that ultimately is a kind of empathy and empathetic learning.